guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a brow video for your eyebrows. Now, it's going to be a pencil versus powder. You may have been asking yourself, which one should I use? Do I use pencil? Do I use powder? What's the difference? Help me. I know I was like that at one point. So, if you guys want to find out what the difference is between brow powder and a brow pencil, how to use it, which one to use for what, keep on watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So let's jump right on in and get started. So let's get started with this. As you can see, I have not done my eyebrows. I feel a little necky. Okay, so there are two options. There are brow powders or eyeshadows, whatever you want to call them. And there are eyebrow pencils. I have both. I have a deep brown eyeshadow. I have no clue what brand this is. You can use any dark brown eyeshadow. And I have a pencil. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And this one is in the shade Espresso. Excuse me. Whatever. So I'm going to do one eyebrow with a pencil and one eyebrow with powder. And you can see what the difference is. Now I will tell you. So I'll do brow powder first. Okay, so you need an angled brush, which I have right here, right there. And brow powder is just to deepen and define, not define, what kind of define? Your eyebrow, excuse me, forgot what I was talking about. Okay, so you just pick up some product on your brush and you start from the inside and work your way out. Can you see if I do this? Yes, okay. You just want to make little strokes. I'm always concerned that y'all cannot see. Like, I can see in the mirror, but I'm concerned that you cannot see what I'm doing. You're going to do the little strokes, and you're just filling in what you already have. And then you get your arch. And then I always take normally there's a spoolie. I don't know why this one has just a brush, but we'll deal with it. And just brush your hairs in a direction. And if there's any spots that you feel that need gone over, by all means go over them again. You know, whatever you like. So you can already tell the difference in my eyes. There's a big difference. Okay, so that was the brow powder. And you can see, like, not so much, and then it's nice and it looks complete. Like, it looks complete, not complete. I can tell the difference. I feel different with them not done. Okay, now with the pencil. The pencil, this is what the tip looks like. Now with the pencil, it is more for filling in the blanks. So if you have a spot like right here, I don't have a whole lot of hair that grows there, and I'll tell you why. The first time that I got my eyebrow pierced, my body rejected it, so it scarred my eye and hair does not grow back there anymore. So you can use a pencil to fill it in. And you guys, I'm sorry if the lighting is bad. I live in Ohio. Yesterday it was 70, today it's snowing. So, and it's all gloomy. I don't like it. But anyway, sorry. The pencil. So you want to do like little hairline strokes, like little bloop, 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 just little guys. And again, you start from the inside and work your way out. And you just kind of, like, I always like line where my eyebrow is, like where the bottom is, and then the top. It's so hard to talk when you do this. And then just do short little strokes. And the more that you do this, the better at it you will get. Hang on, I'm not going to talk right now because I can't. I just can't. You do the short little strokes. A little bit in the front. Okay, and then the nice thing with this one is there is a spoolie on the other end. So the pencil is down here, and there's a spoolie right there. So that is how that one looks. Now you can tell a difference. I'm going to go over this one with powder because, you know, I'm not trying to walk around with two different eyebrows like that. Like two different shades. But that is what the difference is. The pencil is more for filling in the blanks, filling in what you don't have, and making it a more crisper look, I guess. The powder is more for just, you know, filling it in, making it a little darker than what they normally are. Why can't I remember what word I'm trying to use? Like defining them, I guess. I'm just gonna, you know, go over this one a little bit. I will tell you, I have used both of these in the pool. And I have never had any problems with the powder or the pencil coming off. Ever. And sweating at the gym. I mean, I wear a full face of makeup to the gym. And just because that's the kind of person I am. I just do. Like, I don't care if somebody's watching me or not. But I don't change the way I look for certain things. I just don't. But anyway, that is the difference between eyebrows. That's not the difference between eyebrows. That is the difference between eyebrow pencils and eyebrow powders. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below and I will answer them as soon as I can. I'm normally pretty quick at it. So, you know, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I don't know why I'm hyper today, guys. I'm sorry. But anyway, that is it for this one. If you liked it, please, please, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great day.